वेल स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम एक नया टॉपिक लेंगे, बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट और बिल्कुल नया टॉपिक, सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन इन हनी बी। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, आपने पहले भी पढ़ा होगा, हनी बी में 3 टाइप्स हैं। 3 तरह की हनी बी होती है। एक क्वीन, सेकंड वर्कर और थर्ड ड्रोन। The honeybee are of 3 types. First is queen, that is the fertile female. The second one is worker, that is actually female but infertile. And the third one is drone, that is male and they are fertile. Here, if we see the ploidy, they have 16 chromosomes in male, drones. So these are haploid. Drone is considered to be haploid. Queen 16 pair, total 32 chromosomes, and that is diploid. And worker are also having 16 pair again, that is also 32, but these are less developed. So how these 3 types of honeybee are formed, the mechanism is very complicated. Here the male develops parthenocarpy. Without fertilization, they develop without fertilization, so the male are parthenocarpic. Female develops by fertilization. So they are diploid. How this process takes place, we will consider it. Actually, during fertilization, the most important thing is that there is a nuptial flight, and in this nuptial flight, queen and many drones fly together. When they fly, only one male is allowed to inseminate the queen. Out of many males, only one of the male is allowed to mate with the female, and the sperms are stored in seminal receptacle of female. It means female has a reserve sperm in her body, and when this is the symbol of female, this is the 2n is equal to 32. This is the male that is haploid, and male form gamete. Here n is equal to 16. The gamete formed by mitosis, sperm formed by mitosis, and so they will have n. And here gamete formed by meiosis, each will have 16 chromosome, that is n. It is also having 16 chromosome, and if this fuse with sperm, it will be female, that is diploid 2n, and it will develop parthenogenetically, it will be male. Direct development without fertilization. So here the mechanism is haploid diploid mechanism. The male is haploid and female is diploid. But now here again one question arises, and that is how these male and female develops independently. In the nest, there are two types of cell: smaller, larger. When a queen lays eggs in the smaller cell, it lays eggs in such a way that sperm from seminal receptacle are released with egg, and fertilized eggs are laid, that forms female honeybee. This is the first step. When in the smaller cell all egg will be fertilized and it will form female, but same queen when lays eggs in larger cell, it lays only unfertilized egg. It has auto control by pressing duct of seminal receptacle. So unfertilized egg are laid. They develop into drones or males. It was about the formation of male and female both at the same time. So in this category, unfertile, or we can say parthogenetically, male are produced, and by fertilization female are produced. But here again there is another case of queen and worker. Female are also two types. The diploid female. This female, if given royal jelly, a rich food, royal jelly is the name of that food, that is a good diet, it develops into queen, and this is of such type that only one of the female get this type of food, and if without that diet they all will be worker, and they cannot produce, they cannot get fertilized, they do not have seminal receptacle. This is the case of. So three types of honeybee are produced. The male by parthenogenesis, male are haploid, they are produced by parthenogenesis without fertilization, and the female are diploid, they are produced by fertilization. So this is the special case. Sometimes diploid male may also produced. Diploid male are also produced by the fertilization of the female with the male, but diploid female do not survive. They do not survive. This is a very special case. Here a queen may also produce diploid male, and these diploid male are actually inviable, they are eliminated or they die itself. This was all about the sex determination in honeybee. In honeybee, the sex determination is a specific kind of sex determination. This sex determination is not seen in different organisms. There are the three types of honeybee in which haploid diploid condition is maintained, and here the food is also important for the other. I have told you royal jelly, that is responsible for the development of a female into queen. These worker may also, they can also lay egg, but their egg are developed parthogenetically without fertilization. They can form drone. Parthenogenetically they form drones. Because the workers are sex arrested, they cannot be fertilized, they are responsible to produce egg only by drone. Without fertilization they develop into male, and this is the sex determination mechanism in honeybee. You should know it, you should remember it, it is a specific case. Thank you, have a nice day. Okay.